very excited to be here. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to tell you about Konolive. We are a French-Israeli company, co-founded by Mr. Yossi Dan, the general manager of the former general manager. Oops, doesn't go, doesn't work. Yeah. Okay. He's the former general manager of Adobe business in Israel. My name is Eran Lagon. I'm in charge of the business development, and I'm the former BizDev executive of ICQ. All right. So now let's talk about collaboration as we see it. I heard on the first keynote here in LeWeb, they were speaking about how the information overload that we have is so cluttered in our world, and I couldn't agree more. Our world is getting more complex by the hour, and I feel that bouncing between my home activities and my office activities and twittering, blogging, chatting, Skyping, conferencing, all of this kind of stuff are activities that we all want to do, but we have only our head to keep us within the right context. So at the end of the day, managing all of those activities becomes more time consuming than actually performing them. So we at Konolive believe that there's a much better way of doing it, and much simpler. Our product combines three highly productive applications into a single solution. We have a revolutionary to-do list and a contextual instant messenger with a collaborative content manager. And when you combine these tools, Konolive not only improves the way that you manage your tasks with your friends and colleagues, but it actually changes the way you work and makes you more productive both at home and at office. So let me show you how. All right. So since the internet connection is not working, this is not a problem for us because we are an Adobe Air application. So you get all the benefits of working on the web and still have the desktop power. So I can continue working with Konolive and have no effects. It will be synchronized later on. So here's a list of all of my activities. And I can view them like in any great to-do list according to the due date, whether it's today, this week, or this month. I can view all of my contacts and create an activity directly from there, or view my activities according to their context, whether it's my home activities or more my work-related activities. Now, instead of juggling my IM, my email, my file sharing, and my to-do list, I want to show you how easy it is to use Konolive and create an activity there. So let me open one of the activities. This is one of the activities. All I had to do is to give it a title, assign a due date, choose the participants that I want to have in this activity, tell them what I want here in the message, upload the content if I want, and after that, that's it. Konolive keeps me updated whenever something is changes within the activity, whether it's the content, the conversation, the participant, and so on. So these three basic elements create the most fundamental aspect of instant collaboration. But that, of course, is not all. There are so many great applications out there, and we want to continue to use all of them together with Konolive. And let's say that you want to use Konolive to manage your activities, and at the same time have your Skype video conferences stored together with the activity content. And since we've built our product to be an open productivity center that interacts with other applications through their API and through our API, you can do exactly that. And you can virtually have unlimited options of taking all of the content from your other application and store it within our content application. So as of today, we are collaborating already with Adobe, with Box.net, who you've seen before, with Yugu, and we are fully compliant with Skype, and we are currently working on our API and other software vendors' APIs. And in fact, this is our business model. We are joining forces with other great and successful companies to provide the easiest and most comprehensive collaboration experience. Okay. Now, to add more to that, we wanted to create something that we think that is really cool. Sometimes you just want to throw an idea around or something that you have that you wish to share, or create a public activity with as many people as possible. I'm sure you all know the feeling. And with Konolive, you can do it very simply. You can just take any activity. Let me show you that. You can take any activity. And once I hit the Make Public button, this activity now is public for anyone to see on the Konolive website and on other assets that unfortunately I cannot show you now because there is no internet connection, but trust me that you can see it in my, on my blog. And there, my readers, for example, can see the public activities that I'm involved in and decide if they want to join this activity immediately from there. And this is what we had in mind when we created the Konolive. So to create the dynamic teams that you can work with in any situation. Now, one last thing that I want to show you is that you can quickly create an activity from here that you can just take out of your head, and to show you how smart our engine is. For example, if I want tomorrow to brainstorm with, let's say, my friend Oli, and the due date for that will be, let's say, tomorrow. I hit the enter, and Konolive takes care to fill all the rest of the details for me and keeps me updated when everything is happening. And so far, for the oldest versions, we already received some great feedback from experts in the industry. And I invite you all to Konolive.com to start using our product, the one that you have just seen, which is available as of today. Thank you very much.
Thank you.